this problem, we are asked to find the amplitude, midline, period, and how high are you off the ground after 4 minutes. Okay, so we're gonna find this based off the following information. A Ferris wheel is 40 meters tall, boarded on a platform that is 3 meters tall, above the ground. The 6 o'clock position, that is this right here, is leveled with the loading platform. The wheel completes 1 full revolution in 8 minutes. The function height equals f of t gives you height in meters above the ground, t minutes after the wheel has after the wheel begins to turn. So basically, I drew a little wheel here, and let's chart out the information to help us a little bit. So the wheel from here to here is 40 meters tall. This here is 3 meters. Let's just put an M there. So based on this, we can see that the midline, the middle here, half of 40 is 20. Now add this 3 is, then we have 20, that's not a 2, 23 meters. We found one thing. The period, the time in which the wheel completes 1 full revolution is 8 minutes. So here we have t on this axis. Here we have height on this axis. Just make it lowercase. And for t we have 8 minutes. That means that when somebody is loaded on the platform and then goes up and then back down, the amount of time this takes, that's a horrible curve, is 8 minutes. Right here. And at half of the 8-minute mark, you are at the highest point of your wheel, your Ferris wheel, right? So at half, being 4 minutes in, you are at the top. So after 4 minutes, the top would be 43 meters off the ground. Meters off the ground. And from the center to the bottom, we find that we are 20, from the center to the bottom of the Ferris wheel, we find that we are 20 meters away. We have a radius of 20 here. So when we go from there to the top, we have 20, and when we go from there to the bottom, we're at 20. That means that from here to here, we're at 20 and 20. That means we have an amplitude of 20. Well, now that we have all of the pieces of information that we were asked to provide, we can write a sinusual function, that being f of t equals the amplitude of 20. We're starting at the bottom, that means we're at sin. And then we have an H. Well, we have the period first, 8. And then we have the H of height. And then we have the midline, plus 23. Let me delete this 8 from there and just put 8 there, and there we go. We have answered this problem.